Good morning and welcome to Kata Beach. Just check out the weather behind me. It is absolutely beautiful today, and I've come back to this area because in August of this year I did some videos that covered the flash flooding that took place around this part of Kata, in particular the one corner of Beach Road, and I want to take a look and see how the repairs are coming along. So let's jump into the video and check it out. As you can see, access has now been restored, so you can make your way along this road, because during the repairs this section of the road has been closed, but it is now fully open. A lot of people at the time were worrying about the Beyond Kata hotel. Because of the road collapse, they were wondering whether the hotel was still open, whether it was safe to stay, which of course it was, and I'd covered that on that video in August. The repairs aren't yet quite finished, however the road is looking considerably better than what it was after the floods had passed through this area. Now I'm not sure whether they are going to reinstall access just here like it was before, because I don't see any evidence of that at the moment. But there is access onto the beach just here, so it's not really affecting any access issues onto the beach. Today is the 3rd of November. We're now slowly leaving the rainy season behind and starting to go towards high season. And as you can see, the beach is looking reasonably busy today. Quite a lot of people in the water, and it's still fairly early. It's just after 11 o'clock in the morning. So if you are worried about this area because you've seen reports on the social media about the collapse of the road, yes, it was 2 months ago, but there are still videos floating around of it, and you're coming over here in the next few months, then you can see the state of the road yourselves from the shots that I've taken this morning. It is now not fully repaired, but I would say 85% complete now, and access has been restored. There's no problems here, and let's hope that this road doesn't collapse again next year if we get more flooding. Only time will tell. I'd like to quickly thank all the people that subscribe to my channel, and also mention that going forward a lot of my posts on social media will now go towards my BMC, Buy Me a Coffee page, so do check that out if you haven't already, because what I'm finding with my Facebook media side of things, a lot of the posts that I've done over 7 years are getting buried within the machine they call Facebook, never to be seen again. People are sending me messages asking me whether I can cover this and that, and these topics have already been covered, but of course they can't find the posts. So I've decided to start to move away from Facebook. Of course I shall carry on using Facebook for posting, but it will be used for posting links from my Buy Me a Coffee page, because I feel it's going to be a lot easier for you to be able to find and access my content. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this short video this morning over here in Kata. I will, of course, be back very soon with lots of more information and videos. So I will speak to you very shortly.